Hello, welcome to Mukbang Movies. As promised on my last video, I've got a live unboxing to show you. So I received my parcel from Radiance and I'm hoping these films in here have arrived undamaged, which I'm sure they will have done. Radiance always do a good job with their packaging. So here we go. I'll show you what I've received in the post. So this was the March releases, and if you ordered all their films released in March, then you got 10% off. So there was one film in here I wasn't too sure about. Let's get that knife again. But I thought, since you get 10% off, I'll order the lot. There we go. Bubble wrap is open. So there's 3 releases here, and one of them I am super excited about. So the first one, which I wasn't sure about, but when I read the synopsis, it sounded quite interesting. So that's Tony Arzenta. Now this, I'll read the synopsis. Alain Delon from Le Cercle Rouge stars as efficient and ruthless mob assassin Tony Arzenta. When plans to leave his life of crime go wrong, Tony finds himself on a bloody mission that takes him across Europe. After I'd read the synopsis for that, I was sold. I mean, the title's pretty rubbish, Tony Arzenta. But yeah, the synopsis sounds really good, sort of down my street, definitely. The next one is a story written with water, should I say. I nearly said over water. I love Asian cinema, so anything to do with Asian cinema, I'm quite partial to. I'll read the synopsis. One of the leading lights of the Japanese New Wave, Keiju Yoshida, broke with studio filmmaking for a story written with water, his first independent production and the start of his signature style, telling the story of a man torn between his fiancée and the familial bond of his mother. Yoshida creates a dazzling narrative that uses flashbacks to tell its story of obsession and desire. Yeah, anything Japanese or Chinese or especially South Korean, I'm happy to explore. So yeah, that's that one. And then this is the one I was super excited about, and that's the Bounty Hunter trilogy. And that comes in a nice hard box, and it's got 2. Let's open this up. It's got 2 Amaray cases in there. So we've got 2 in here. The first one is The Fort of Death, and that's got another film on there called 8 Men to Kill. I love samurai films, so I'm going to really enjoy this. And then on this one, you've got Killer's Mission. So that's a trilogy in 2 Amaray cases there. Super nice box set. If I take this off, hopefully it'll come off easily enough. I can show you the front cover and the back cover. So there you go, the Bounty Hunter trilogy, and that's the images on the back. So yeah, can't wait to delve into those. I've got loads of samurai films to watch now that I've never seen before, so you know, I better get started on these because they just keep coming and coming and coming. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Thanks for watching. Give me a like below, and if you feel obliged, you can subscribe. I've got more content to come. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.